Yo, what's going on, everybody? Check it out. Guys, we got a Mercedes. How did we get a Mercedes? For $10 a day? Let me tell you. Hold on. I got to back this thing up. Look at this. You got to put it in reverse first. Pretty slick. So, moral of the story. The way insurance companies work is they will authorize a certain amount per day towards a rental car. Sometimes it's directly in your insurance company's policy. Sometimes it is something that they can negotiate depending on what model of vehicle actually broke down. Regardless, what you can do is you can actually talk to them about it. You're going to get, if something happens to your vehicle and it ends up in the shop, or getting some body work done, as ours did, we had to get a windshield replaced. They'll authorize a rental car depending on if you need it for however long it's supposed to take. So we went in and my company, Geico, actually authorized $30 to have a rental car per day. And we went in to get a rental.
Continue on Texas 97 West for 1.5 miles.
I got navigation on still, it's talking to me. But anyway, we went in and they were going to give me a Nissan Altima. You talk to the guys in there and dude, it is a total negotiation bath. So you just got to go in there and talk to them about it and say, hey, listen, is there anything else? What do you have? Can you upgrade me? Blah, blah, blah. And then they start the negotiation. So I said that I wanted something a little bit nicer. She's talking to me about some cars, mentions that they have a Mercedes. I was like, a Mercedes would be kind of cool. She said that this car rents for $70 to $80 a day. Not for me. So keep in mind, Geico's giving me $30 towards the rental car. So if you want a nicer rental car, talk to them about it. So they ended up talking to me about this one. They said that they could do $25 a day. I said that was not going to happen. She came back and said they could do $15 a day. I said, all right, I'll do 15 bucks a day. The guy brought it around and I kind of beat him up a little bit because it's a wagon. It's not a top trim Mercedes. But anyway, the guy that ended up closing it up and bringing it out for me said that he could do 10 bucks a day on the Mercedes. So we took it. This is it. So guys, moral of the story, everything in life is negotiable. Just ask for a discount. Come on.